think we are resting. We are trying to avoid to go out.
You're trying to have to go out. But it is impossible now because you are a businessman and you have to go out.
उड़ीसा और बंगाल 3 दिन और उड़ीसा बंगाल स्पेशली आपका गैंजेटिक वेस्ट बंगाल 29, 30, 1st, 2nd तक आपका सीवियर हीट वेव के वार्निंग रहेगा.
There is no beating the heat in Kolkata and Bengal. As per the Met Office, Kolkata is going to touch the 40 degrees Celsius today and there will be more sufferings for the residents in South Kolkata as the minimum temperature was 29 degrees Celsius on Friday, reports Diganta Guha from Kolkata. As we move around, the roads are mostly empty. Residents of a posh Salt Lake City are fuming. It is possible to survive, but we need to work. What else can we do? We have to make two ends meet, don't we? Asks a daily wage earner. Having cold weather is tough because the temperature can make life tougher for you. A businessman who has his office in the neighborhood says he is taking recourse to curds to beat the heat. I can't go out. I have to operate from home. What else can we do? It is so hot, he adds. Heat wave conditions forced the West Bengal government last week to declare an early summer break for state-run schools from April 22. The break was scheduled to begin on May 5th, reports Hindustan Times. On April 21st, the day temperature in Bankura touched 44.5 degrees Celsius and on April 20th, Panagarh witnessed the maximum temperature hovering over 45 degrees Celsius, which was more than 8 degrees above the normal, HT adds. An IT employee has asked for work from home arrangement because of the temperature. How can we attend office even if we are inside an AC room? Traveling is tough in this temperature. In fact, Kalaikunda, a place in West Bengal, touched the 45 degrees Celsius on Friday and there is no respite. Severe heat wave conditions may hit one or two places in the districts of East Midnapur, West Midnapur, West Burdwan, Jhargram, North 24 Parganas, South 24 Parganas and Bankura till around Sunday. Heat wave conditions is expected to prevail over the other districts, said an expert on Hindustan Times. Some people are even reluctant to even talk because of the heat. We are having what we have to. What else? Our work is getting affected, says a senior citizen from the city. Met officials say there is no chance of any rain in the coming 3 days. It will continue to boil. No rain is for sure. The scorching heat will continue for sure, he adds. Rains will take a lot of time to come, he adds. The businessman adds, just see the condition. Who is going to go out to work? Are we mad? A senior doctor says that this is the most extreme in years and we don't know when we will get the breather. But diet has to be controlled. More fruits will work now, he says.
Hello everybody, this is Diganta Guha reporting for AIRR News Kolkata. Well, it's sweltering heat in West Bengal, especially in Kolkata. Today it is predicted that it's going to get closer to 40 degrees Celsius. People are suffering, but despite all that, they have to work, they have to make two ends meet. And I'm just showing you around, just have a look at the scenario. This is what the place looks like. This is what the city looks like. Oh, Dada! দাদা কোথায় কোথায় আপনি দেখি একটু উঠুন একটু গরমের কি অবস্থা খুব ভীষণ গরম ভীষণ গরম আর কষ্ট হচ্ছে খুব হ্যাঁ কাজে অসুবিধা হচ্ছে হচ্ছে না কি খাচ্ছ জল আম পানা সব খাচ্ছ স্যার হোয়াট ইজ দি হোয়াট হিট
Damn hot.
Damn hot. What are you doing now?
Nothing, we are resting. We are trying to avoid to go out.
You're trying to have to go out. But it is impossible now because you are a businessman and you have to go out.
And make it in the evening or early morning.
What are you eating or drinking to, beat the sweltering heat?
Mostly curd.
Curd. Yeah. Thank. We love curd.
You want to have some curd?
Thank you so much. I'll come. I'm your neighbor. I stay here. DL161. So I can always come. দাদা বস কি বলছে? প্রচন্ড গরম, মাথা খারাপ হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
প্রচন্ড গরম মানে রাত্রে ঘুমাতে পারছি
ঘুমোতে পারছে না।
না।
কি খাচ্ছ?
কি খাচ্ছি? ওই ভাত রুটি যা খাওয়া।
ভাত রুটি, জল
জল খাচ্ছি।
জল খাচ্ছ আর আম পানা দুধ। এর গরম তো কমবে না, বৃষ্টিও তো আসবে না।
হ্যাঁ, তো গরম তো কমছেই না।
কমছে না না?
রাত্রে 2:30-3টে বেজে যাচ্ছে ঘুমোতে।
ও বাবা ও বাবা ও বাবা।
ভোরবেলা উঠে ঘর থেকে বেরিয়ে যেত।
Okay.
অবস্থা খুব খারাপ।
So this is what the scenario is, you know. I mean, I've spoken to 3 people, and they're all saying that this heat will be very difficult to beat, and they're doing everything possible to counter it. But there's hardly any possibility as far as the Met Office is concerned. This heat is going to continue. There's no possibility of rain. Today, as I said, Kolkata must be touching 40 degree, and Kolaikundala had touched 45 degrees Celsius yesterday, and it's going to only spike. This is Diganto Go reporting for AIRR News Kolkata on the sweltering Kolkata heat. Thank you.